The Google Pixel 3a is here and it's stirring up the budget segment like the Nexus 5 did many years ago. I personally owned a Nexus 5 because it ticked all the right boxes. And last year, if you told us Google is planning to creep up inside OnePlus's territory, we'd ask you to place your bets. And now, with the OnePlus 7 around the corner, is the Google Pixel 3a worth 40,000? Well, that depends. Let's start with the body. It's got chunky bezels and looks like the premium Pixel smartphones. The design hasn't changed one bit and it's still slightly boring. But Pixel has always been about function over fashion. It's slightly plasticky, but because of the rounded edges, it's easy to hold and doesn't slip from your hand because of the two-tone matte black finish. Up front, what you're staring at here is a Full HD Plus G OLED screen, and it's quite good. Contrast and blacks are proper, and even the brightness is like most OLEDs. Oh, and there's no color shift happening here like when you view it off axis like the previous Pixels. Even Google knows people want vibrant colors, so the screen is kept on boosted by default. We got it down to natural and it's way better that way. You already know this by now, but the Snapdragon 670 is why the price is so low. For a smartphone that starts from 40,000, OnePlus and Samsung's S10e stand a better chance of performing consistently over the long run. And in our usage, the processor did show some fatigue while multitasking, especially when clicking photos. The Pixel's shutter speed suffers primarily because of this. The 3000 mAh battery can last you an entire day easily if you're shuffling between WhatsApp and Twitter, even a single round of PUBG, dare I say. But that's about it. Any more power-hungry usage can drain the battery really fast. But at least you've got Quick Charge 4 to juice it up as quickly. Google has guaranteed 3 years of software and security updates with the Android experience that Google has served here. The overall use of Android on the Pixel is still smooth. Apps open and shut smoothly, but only for your regular texting, Instagram, WhatsApp, and all of that stuff. It won't slow you down severely, but for serious multitasking, it might stutter. Squeezing the edges brings up Google Assistant. And with the new update, there's more talent here than Siri or Bixby. Here's where the temptation rises. Pixel 3a camera clicks photos with the exact same fidelity as the Pixel 3. This is the best camera smartphone we've ever seen in the price segment. Even with multiple lenses, the competition doesn't even get the pictures as good as the Pixel. You get all of Pixel 3's rare camera features and that amazing software magic that handles exposure, color balance, details so well. The single lens camera manages to take excellent portrait shots as well. Pixel's night sight will seriously make you forget the flash after the sun's down. It brightens up the image very well and reduces noise in the process. HDR images take some time to process like the night sight, but the results are a massive improvement in the picture quality. Moving objects don't do so well, so neither of them work properly, so non-HDR photos are advisable for action shots. Color tone, color temperature, detail, black, contrast. The Pixel camera ticks all the right boxes, even though the camera hardware hasn't changed much from the premium Pixels. We've truly fallen in love with Pixel's single-lens rear camera, and the 3a is designed for shutterbugs looking to bag a premium camera for less. The front single lens does a decent job as well, but not as well as the Pixel 3, and that's after losing the wide angle here. So should you pick this up? Like the Nexus 5, the 3a is offering the best-in-class Android experience and a very good camera. All under 40,000, which is frankly a lot compared to the US pricing, and we are not convinced by the processor for this kind of dosh. And if you're considering the falling price of the Pixel 3, the 3a is in a very sticky situation. We really wish the price was slightly lower, but if you're looking to bag a premium camera in this segment, we won't stop you. For regular software updates and seamless Android experience, the 3a could convince you halfway. But I'd say wait for a discount or a price drop. Oh, and by the way, there's a headphone jack and bundled earphones in the box, so you don't have to buy anything aside from the phone. If you like the Google Pixel 3a and if you like this review, please like, share and subscribe and help us grow this channel. Thank you.